Hey guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today is Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. And today Clover Health is trending, so let's dive deep into the unusual options activity. From the homepage, you want to navigate to the unusual options activity tab. Let's define what unusual options activity is. Unusual options activity identifies option contracts that are trading at a higher volume relative to the contract's open position. Unusual options can provide insight on what smart money is doing with large volume orders, signaling new positions and potentially a big move in the underlying asset. So what this means is when the level of activity within an option picks up, that's a sign that an investor or an institution is loading up and probably knows something the public does not. These are some of the criteria you should filter through in looking for actionable option plays. Volume, open interest, is it out of the money? Is it short dated? And are there a large number of sweep or block orders? First thing you want to do is navigate to the most active options tab. And from here, make sure this is sorted by volume, descending from the highest to the lowest. And as you can see, the first choice coming in is Clover stock at over 1 million contracts traded. The IV rank is at 100%. And if you don't know what IV rank is, it's the implied volatility relative to the highest and lowest value over the past 1 year mark. So the closer the IV rank is to 100%, the most volatile it has been over the past year. So at 100%, this is the most volatile it's been over the past year, which is crazy volatile. And next to that, we see the percentage of put options placed and percentage of call options placed. So 76 call versus 23% put. This is 3/4 bullish. So most investors here are bullish. You could break it down into a ratio, which is a put call ratio 0.31, but most people are betting this stock will go higher. From here, you want to navigate to unusual options volume. Again, sort by volume. And again, at number 1, Clover Health, 1.4 million traded today. We have open interest of over 700,000. Huge. And below that, you see some of the other trending names this week: AMC, BlackBerry, Wish, Workhorse, Palantir, Nokia. Finally, you want to navigate to unusual options activity, sort by volume. And from here, you see all the specific calls that were placed on Clover. So the top two here were $22 strike price and $20 strike price. You keep scrolling down, we have others: 20, 18, 15, 30, 17. So the most popular Clover call that was placed today was actually the $22 strike price, and this is already in the money. The current price is $22.15 and the strike price was $22. Expiration was set for June 18, which is in 10 days. As you can see, volume of over 200,000, open interest 19,000. Delta of 62 and implied volatility of 363%. So judging by our criteria to pick an option play for the week, I would actually go ahead and look for an option that is out of the money. So if we keep scrolling down, this $30 call looks perfect. And $30 would be out of the money, and expiration would be August 20, which is 73 days out. Your bid and ask was between 640 and 650. The midpoint would be 645. Volume of 34,000 and open interest of 13,000 with the IV of 224%, delta of 57. So just to recap, this call meets our criteria. The volume is greater than the open interest. It is out of the money. The $30 is out of the money. Expiration is not necessarily short dated, but this is fine. You have 2 months for this option play to play out, 73 days, August 20. And we see a large number of block orders coming in. So this call here would be perfect if you can get a fill at 640. So if we look at the Clover hourly chart and do some technical analysis, you can see Clover broke out early in the morning, and actually on the MACD indicator, the MACD line started riding above the signal line The blue line is above the red signal line, and that's a bullish indicator, meaning the stock is breaking out. This here signifies a buy signal, and this is the rationale for you wanting to get into the stock. So I hope this is able to give you some insight into what is happening within the Clover Health options activity. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.